Hey, welcome back. Here we are in the Bonsai basement. I put all these bald cypress cuttings. Sorry. Took all these bald cypress cuttings and I stuck them in this thing before winter. You can see some of them are starting to leaf out. I don't know if you can see that. Right here. These ones are starting to leaf out. A few of them. I don't know if they've all rooted. I'm going to take some of them. I'll put them in this. Make a nice little cypress forest. Get rid of this big silly thing here. So let's see how that goes. So if we tug on them, feels like there's definitely roots down there. Shoot. Even though those that don't look like they're budding. Oh, not all of them. Yeah. This one here, no roots. That one's got roots. No roots. There are the ones that do have roots. Feels like it's got quite a bit of roots. Holy cow. Or maybe it's just tangled up in something. Quite a bit of roots. Pretty cool. One next to it didn't have any roots. It feels like it has roots. It had the start of roots and I just ripped them out. I might have. Oh well. Let's see what this one's got going on. It's got greenery. Got roots. Two. There's a tall boy in the back here. Definitely got some roots. This is pretty cool. I really wasn't sure that these would work. These were hardwood cuttings that I took right before winter. These just kind of stuck them in here. You know, that's some of these roots. Guessing those roots belong to this big one. Yep. More good roots. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's probably about all that little pot needs. These trees are going to get a massive amount of roots. And let's see what we got. And then we'll figure out what we're going to do with them all. They just don't need to be in this big giant thing anymore. Look at that. That has a bud. But no roots. It's got like a callus. I dip that in rooting hormone. See what we can do with it. The soil stinks. It's not a good sign for the soil when it stinks. There's another one with roots. That's 6 with roots. No roots. No roots. Roots. Couple of roots. Start of roots. No roots. Alright. So I dropped back and punted, and I decided to switch to this big old concrete pot. I know these are tiny trees and they're going to look a little lost in it at first, but I think in the end, when they grow, and I won't have to repot them nearly as often if I put them in this. So I think this will be best in the long run. So we're going to stick them in this. All right, they're in there. I don't know if it's going to be good, but they're in there. They're so little. When they grow, you know, I mean, you got to imagine them as full-size trees at this point. We'll keep you updated on them. All right, well, I got them in there. They're tiny trees, kind of lost in space in there right now, but you imagine when they're, you know, 2 feet tall and 2 inches around, and they can still be living in this pot. So I'm going to get them soaking wet and hope they survive. Thanks for watching.